Well, this week is known as EMS Week, and today Fox 31 is seeing a first-hand look at what it takes to save lives on the streets of Aurora.
Nicole Fierro doing a ride-along with the crew today. She joins us live now with what they've been up to. Nicole?
We saw a lot today. We started our day with the Falck team here learning about these tools like intubating, about skills like drilling into a bone to put an IV in. But then we actually ended the day seeing these paramedics put their skills to the test, helping a local woman in need. Call for service in.
Right on 6.
Sirens on.
Copy note, thank you. So we got an 83-year-old female.
Preliminary details on the route. What paramedic Chris Allman considers as he navigates.
And then your second right.
And preps.
So headache could be a stroke. Could just be a migraine. We always want to focus on the things that are going to kill them first. Medic 111, we're on scene.
On scene, quick coordination.
I'm gonna start an IV in this arm, okay?
Then tests on the way to the hospital.
So give me a big smile. Let me see all those teeth. Very good. I want you to squeeze my fingers here, too. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Ruling out initial signs of a stroke until they could get her to her doctors safely for more help. And back to the roving ambulance office they go.
So it's something different every day.
At Falck, they respond across Aurora, from the Gaylord to Southeast Parker. As we drive, the locations spark memories.
Some 18-year-old kid was at a party. He got shot through his right humerus, went into his right lung and lodged in his spine. He's got no lung sounds on the right, decompressed his chest, and that kid was breathing before we got to the hospital again. And that was really cool.
A rare trauma save, just part of one shift where you don't know what could happen.
You've got to go and be your best and perform every single call, because every single call we run on is the worst day in that person's life.
In life or death situations.
The traumas, the rollovers, the shootings, the stabbings. Cardiac arrest. Those ones really test your instincts. And so a lot of this job is just putting tools in your tool belt.
Tools.
We're doing CPR.
Allman taught us.
We put the pads on and we see V-fib.
From CPR.
Push, push.
To drilling into bones for IVs.
Push it in there and drill it.
To intubation.
Lift up on the camera a little bit. Yeah, Nicole.
In Aurora, Nicole Fierro, Fox 31.